Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. This gets you where Language Controls live. Once in Settings, make sure you're signed into your Google profile if you want changes synced across devices. Next, locate the Languages section now, use the left menu or type Languages in the Settings search bar. Having the exact language name ready speeds the add step and avoids confusion with similar dialects, so prepare it before you proceed to adding and ordering languages. Now add and prioritize the language you want Chrome to display. Click Add Languages, type the language name, check the box, and press Add. This installs the language option. Once added, use the menu next to that language to move to the top. Chrome uses top priority to decide UI display. Also toggle Display Chrome in this language if available. This tells Chrome to relaunch in that language. Make sure to enable page translation, so web content can be translated automatically. Finish by relaunching Chrome so the new display language takes effect. Chrome will restart and present menus in the chosen language. Once done, navigate Settings and a few websites to verify UI, spell check, and translation prompts behave as expected. If a site still appears in the old language, make sure page translation is enabled and that site-specific language settings aren't overriding Chrome. Troubleshooting tip: if the new language doesn't appear, clear cache. Check your operating system language settings or reinstall Chrome to reset language files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.